what is finding? 2as by s square plus a square is a whole square. S square plus a square whole square. Now again, Laplace transform of only finding s square t cos at. T cos at we can find also. So s square minus a square by s square plus a square is a whole square. Is a whole square. This is a 2 t sin at t cos at. ఈ రెండింటిని మనం last problem we have to find. Next step is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square is equal to ఏం తెలుసు అంటే we have to already. సో మీరు ఇష్టం రెండు రాసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు? లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ టీ సైన్ ఏటీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సో 2as బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ అ హోల్ స్క్వేర్. మనకు ఈ హెల్ప్ వి టేక్ ద రైట్ సైడ్. ద రైట్ సైడ్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇస్. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇస్ 1 by a. సపోజ్ 1 by a టీ సైన్ ఏటీ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇస్ inverse Laplace transform of 2as by. So we can find this is inverse Laplace transform of so ఇక్కడ చూడండి very simple. This is we can take inverse is inverse in terms of in cos terms. ఈ 2as we can take down 2s. అప్పుడు 1 by s square plus a square is 1 by a square plus whole square is equal to 1 by 2at sin at. Same inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square in terms of cos. In terms of cos, tell me this is cos is s square. So in terms of cos, inverse Laplace transform of s square minus a square by s square plus a square is a whole square is equal to t cos at. T cos at. So t cos at value tells. So we have to write inverse Laplace transform. T cos at is equal to inverse Laplace transform of s square minus a square by s square plus a square is a whole square. We are adding and subtracting numerator plus 2a square. So we are adding and subtracting, it is called is plus 2a square. Inverse Laplace transform of okay. So this is called is inverse Laplace transform of adding and subtracting. S square minus plus a square minus 2a square by s square plus a square is a whole square. Okay. Okay, now yes, we have to clear t cos at is equal to inverse Laplace transform of s square minus a square by s square plus a square is a whole square. So is a numerator add and subtract. Inverse Laplace transform of s square plus a square minus 2a square by s square plus a square is a whole square. We have to simplify separately. Inverse Laplace transform of separately s square plus a square by s square plus a square is a whole square minus 2a square by s square plus a square is a whole square. ఇక్కడ one term numerator is cancelled. So now inverse Laplace transform of inverse Laplace transform of, so inverse Laplace transform of separately, inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square. So minus 2a square take outside. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square. Okay. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square formula 1 by a sin at minus 2a square into inverse Laplace transform same 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square. I'm to same right here. Okay, it's say clearly. Once again, now we have to, this is verify. First we have to verify this is actually 1 by a sin at minus 2a square into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square. Okay, this is a simplify that. I'm to simplify, children, is listen to. So in page number 185, inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square is equal to 1 by, and you have to take so what is a subtraction and add and subtraction. So this is a partial fraction 1 by s square plus a square, 1 by s square plus a square. So it is a 2a square minus 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square. This is inverse Laplace transform of subtraction is, so 1 by s square plus a square intermediate level is a partial fractions we got. What is the partial fractions? So we have partial fraction, find out. This is the partial fractions is that is a partial fractions we got is a simplify that. We have to simplify inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square minus 1 by s square plus a square. We have to is a whole square. So this is a simplify that. So it is called is 1 by 2a square. So 1 by, and I add and subtracting one term s square plus a square. So this is called is ikkada plus a square. So my one by 2a square is common is a inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square one term minus it is a total bracket inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square, 1 by s square plus a square, s square plus a square. This is a value, it is called is 1 by, this is 1 by 2a square into, so 1 by a sin 80 minus t cos 80, in totally 1 by 2a square, this value. So totally in product is called is 1 by a is common, 1 by a is common, 1 by a is common is equal to 1 by 2a cube into sin 80 minus 80 cos 80. 1 by 2a cos inverse Laplace. So we out the value in substitution. The substitution is called is we have to substitution main equation. So it is this is inverse Laplace transform of only this part. So it is equal to మనకు కావాల్సింది this is called is t cos 80 is equal to 1 by a sin 80 minus 2a square transform of inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square. మనకు కావాల్సింది this value Scott, we know that. So inverse Laplace, we have to go to plus 2a square 1 by a sin 80. So it is called is, so 1 by 2a square is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square is equal to 1 by a sin 80. E 1 by 2a square we can do that side. We can find out. So it is called is t cos 80 is equal to 1 by a sin 80 minus 2a square into, so inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square. మనకు this value కావాలి కాబట్టి we can do right side. The right side part is called is ఈ positive negative it వస్తే, that is 2a square into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square is equal to t cos 1 by a sin 80 minus t cos 80. So ఈ 2a square down. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus a square is a whole square is equal to 1 by 2a cube common. 1 by 2a square into 1 by a sin 80 minus t cos 80. A common this is. So next problem. So this is the next problem. Consider the inverse Laplace transform of f bar of s. So inverse 3s by s square plus 2s plus 10. So in page number 186, the page number of 186 is it is called is same way. First of all, we can do first we 3s by 3s plus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 10. We have the partial fraction. First of all, so we got s plus 1, 3s plus 1, and numerator we can do 3s plus 1 in 10, 5 to the 10, no fraction. This is the denominator. S plus 1 is a whole square. S plus 1 whole square plus 3 square. So we have to simplify. So the s plus 1 term in 3 into s plus 1 term. 3 into 3 plus here and s plus 3 into s plus 1, 3s plus 3, and we got a plus 1. We have to minus 2 by s plus 1 is a whole square by plus 3 square. We have to take separately. To take separately, it is called is 3 into s plus 1 by s plus 1 is a whole square plus 3 square. One term minus you can 2 minus 2 by I am to taken and dividing and subtracting in 2 by 3 by s plus 1 is a whole square plus 3 square. Okay, so that is, now we got is inverse Laplace of apply in both sides. So 3 is a constant, apply in both sides. Inverse is called is inverse in the question. Inverse Laplace transform of 3s plus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 10 is equal to, we got a result is 3 inverse Laplace transform of s plus 1 by s plus 1 is a whole square plus 3 square. Okay, 3 square minus 2 by 3 inverse Laplace transform of 2 by 3 common. So 3 by s plus 1 is a whole square plus 3 square. So already we got s plus 1 when s plus 1 whole square అంటే the first shifting formula. What is the first shifting formula? E power of minus st, e power of minus st. So s square plus 3 square అంటే cos 3t, cos 3t. So ఇది minus 2 by 3 into, so minus 2 by 3 into what happened? Minus 3 by 2 into, so what happened? Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by s square plus 3. What is now 1 by sin 3t వస్తుంది. E power of minus t is same t, e power of s is equal to minus 1. So it is called as చూడండి. సో ఇక్కడ వాట్ హపెంట్ ఈస్ 3 power of minus t cos 3t formula minus 2 by 3 into, so 3 by s plus 1 is a whole square plus 3 square formula ఏంటిదంటే minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 into ఇక్కడ sin 3t, sin 3t e power of minus t, already 3 ఉంది, 3 cancel కాబట్టి what about result is, so 3 e power of minus t cos 3t minus 2 by 3 into e power of minus t in sin 3t. What is the common? This e power of minus t, e power of minus t ni common this thing was the 3 cos t minus 2 by 3 sin 3t. That is the answer. It is called as a, now inverse Laplace terms we can find out. So it is a clear. Now again so the inverse Laplace transform in the problems. So same thing SAQ 5 లో problems కూడా చూడండి. So so these are exercise problems are very simple. We can apply the inverse Laplace transforms. So once again, I'm to the problem is, so SAQ problem second చూడండి. This is a SAQ problem, SAQ problem page number 186. So 186 లో first problem. What is the 186 in the first problem? 2s square by minus 6x plus 5 by s square s cube minus 6s square plus 11s minus 6. So this is already what happened is this is 2s square by minus 6x plus 5. So totally denominator factors are there. We can find out s minus 1, s minus 2, s minus 3. This is a 3 factors. After that, a partial fractions. What is a partial fraction? A by s minus 1 plus b by s minus 2 plus c by s minus 3. We got a simplify a, b, c values. So what is the simplify? We got a values are there. So what is the partial fractions? A by s minus 1 plus b by s minus 2 plus c by s minus 3. We can intermediate level partial fraction finding. A is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 5 by 2. So after simplify, that is called is the inverse Laplace transform of a question 2s square minus 6x plus 5 by s cube minus 6x square plus 11s minus 6. Okay, this is inverse Laplace. After what happened is 1 by 2 ante actually 1 by 2 inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus 1. A value 1 by 2. B value it is also minus 1. Minus inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus 2. This is s minus 2. So c value pi by 2. It is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus 3. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s minus 1 is called formula e power of t. 1 by s minus 2 is called formula e power of 2t. 1 by s minus 3 formula e power of 3t. Ante the answer is that is equal to 1 by 2 e power of t minus e power of 2t plus 5 by 2 into e power of 3. That is the answer. So next question. What is the second question is? F bar of s is equal to s by s to the power of 4 plus 4a to the power of 4. Then find out chala inverse Laplace transform. So first we got a simplify s to the power of 4. We have to simplify. Question that is what is the question? S by s to the power of 4 plus 4a to the power of 4. First denominator will simplify. What is the denominator simplify? S to the power of 4 plus 4a to the power of 4. Simplify. S square plus s square whole square plus next 2 into a square into a square. Ante a square plus 2ab plus b square ante a square whole square minus a square whole square. Add and subtract. So this is the first term method. S plus a square. S square plus a square is a whole square. S square plus a square whole square minus a square is a whole square. A square plus b square formula, a plus b whole square formula, it is called is 2a square. What happened is 2a s కావాలి 2a to the power of 4 plus 2a. This is a plus b whole square formula we have to apply. So s to the power of 4 plus 4a to the power of 2a square whole square. A square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to formula. What is the formula? This is s square whole square plus 2a square is a whole square. And a square plus b square is equal to formula. So we got a result is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, we have to a plus b ante s square plus 2a 2a square is a whole square minus 2ab 2a yes is a whole square 2a s whole square. So a plus b into a minus b. This is s square plus 2a square s square plus 2a square plus 2a square plus 2a s ఒక టర్మ్ 2as ఒక టర్మ్ s square plus 2a square minus 2as ఒక టర్మ్. Okay, it's a clear. So this is called this. So we have to factors ఏమొస్తాయి s square plus 2as ఒక టర్మ్ plus 2a square 1 ఇంటర్ s square minus 2as 1 టర్మ్ plus 2a square is a one term. This is our partial fractions. What is the partial fractions are there? S by s to the power of 4 plus 4a to the power of 4 partial fraction. A s by plus b by, so s square plus 2as oka term plus 2a square oka term. So next plus cs plus d by s square minus 2as plus 2a square oka term. So this is the partial fraction. We can find the, and what is the partial fractions is as plus b by oka term is s square plus 2as plus 2a square oka term plus cs plus d by what is now s square minus 2as plus 2a square oka term. We can find partial fractions a value something. So a value ento sadi, a is equal to 0 sadi, c is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1 by 4a, 1 by 4a. C, D is equal to plus 1 by 4a, b is equal to minus 1 by 4a. So that is a b value minus 1 by 4a, c value plus 1, d value 1 by plus 4a. So e value, this you can substitute this function s by s to the power of 4 plus 4a to the power of 4 is equal to a value 0. Got b value enta, that is minus 1 by 4a by what is now s square plus 2as plus 2a square. Next to plus c value 0, d value it is 1 by 4a term by same denominator. So what is the denominator? S square minus 2as plus 2a square. So this is a simplify. So what is the inverse Laplace transform is called is we can do you can what is called, okay. So very simple, we can do, this is a very simple like that. Minus 1 by 4a term by 1 by s square plus 2as plus a square plus a square plus a square plus a square. So plus 1 by 4a term into 1 by s square minus 2as plus a square or plus a square. అంటే ఈ పార్ట్ a plus b whole square, ఈ పార్ట్ a plus b whole square, this part a minus b whole square. So minus 1 by 4a minus 1 by 4a into ఏమొస్తుంది 1 by s plus a whole square plus a square. Okay, this is a term. Plus 1 by 4a term ఏమొస్తుంది 1 by s minus a whole square plus a square. Okay, so మనకు ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ ఫార్ములా. What is the first shifting formula? 1 by minus 4a. This is the first shifting formula. E power of minus 80. 1 by e power of minus 80 s square plus a square. S square plus a square ఏం చెప్తుంది 1 by a sin 80. 1 by a sin 80. This is the term of the first fraction. What is the second fraction? Plus 1 by 4a into. So this is e power of 80. ఎందుకంటే s minus a. 1 by s square plus a square in cos 80. In cos 80. Got it? We have to simplify. That is called is. So e power of minus 80, e power of plus e power of plus 18, e power of plus 18, e power of plus 18 same. S plus a. First దానికి e plus power of minus 80, second దానికి it is power of 80. So we got the formula is 1 by 4a common this say. What is the 1 by totally 4a? So plus term ముందు రాస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది 1 by 4a totally common ఇస్తే e power of 80 cos 80 answer minus e power of minus 80 into 1 by a sin 80. That is the answer of the, this is the question in a SAQ first and second చెప్పాను. SAQ లో మీకు పేజ్ నెంబర్ SAQ లో ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ చెప్పాను, థర్డ్ కూడా మీరు చేయొచ్చు. వాట్ ఇస్ ద థర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ది, దిస్ ఇస్ ద పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్. సో థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం? s plus 2 is a whole square is s plus 3 is a s plus 3. పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ కనుక్కోవాలి. a by s plus 2, b by s plus 2 is a whole square plus c by s plus 3. We can do a partial fraction. A value something, b value something, c value something. We can use the partial fractions we have to apply. So that is called is partial fractions are there. Okay. Now, partial fractions using, like, it is using the partial fractions are there. So it is now again the partial fractions you have to apply. So it is now this is using the partial fractions. We can find the page number 186. So page number 187 in topic is unit step function. Heaviside unit step function is denoted by u of t minus c is equal to 0, 1. T is less than c, t greater than or equal to c. Ante what is now, this is a function chudandi, this is a t function, this is units of t minus c function. So this is a 0 in c, ikkada 1.2. So what is the t is less than c? T less than c vachinappudu adi emautadi, we got a t less than c, we got a c 0 value. T greater than or equal to అయినప్పుడల్లా 1 is a function will be started. 1 is a started unit step function. So the unit step function transform of unit step function is equal to the unit step function transform. The transform of unit step function is Laplace transform of a unit step function t minus c. So what is the Laplace transform? Exist. What is the formula? 0 to infinity e power of minus st f of t plus u of t minus c into dt. So we have to apply e power of minus c, interval define చేద్దాం, 0 to c e power of minus st u of t minus c plus in dt plus 0 to c c to infinity. So 0 to c అంటే నెగటివ్ చెప్తుంది, 0 to infinity అంటే పాజిటివ్ చెప్తుంది. ఆ పాజిటివ్ యూనిట్ స్టెప్ ఫంక్షన్ వాల్యూ ఎంత? ఇట్ ఈస్ అ 1 వాల్యూ. So Coty 1 value Coty, this term is a unit step function is 1. This term is 100% 0. Coty the result is, so c to infinity e power of minus st, the step function is 1 into dt. This is the formula e power of minus st by minus s. Here what is the limits is c to infinity. Upper limit e power of minus infinity by minus s. Lower limit e power of minus ct by minus s. Upper limit e power of minus infinity always 0. What is the answer is minus of minus plus. So e power of minus c s by s. That is the unit step function. Every side unit step function answer will be there. We can find the answers are there. Very simple. We can do clear. So that is unit step functions is now. Unit step functions are there. Okay. Every time unit step function format is the e power of minus cs by s. This is e power of minus cs by s is a formula. E power of minus cs by s is a formula unit step function. So the expansion in unit step function 188 lo, that is a problem. We have the practice. Emicharu f of t is equal to 6, 4, t less than 3, t greater than or equal to 3. T less than 3, then direct to Laplace transform kuda kanukochu. What is the Laplace transform of 6t t less than 3, t greater than or equal to 6 minus 2. So Laplace kanukokunta will direct apply chesaru. What is now apply is chudandi. What is the Laplace? This is 6. Kada 6 is a minus 2. This is apply. Here both of them you can do right here. 6 plus 0 less than t is less than 3, less than or equal to 3, minus 2 t is greater than or equal to 3. And 6 plus 0, 0, 6 minus 2. So what is the 6 is Laplace? Apply Laplace transform of 6, the minus 2 into unit the Laplace of unit to inside function t minus 3. Laplace 6 is 6 by s. So Laplace 6 is a constant, take outside. Laplace transform of 1 minus 2 into unit step function is e power of minus 3s by s. So 1 by s. 6 into 1 by s plus minus 2 into e power of minus 3s by s. That is the answer. So it is unit step function is 188.9. Second shifting translate property unit step function. So it's not a very important, not. So it is governed. It is clearly second shifting formula. Okay. What is the second shifting is f of t into u of t minus c is equal to 0 in f of t. So t is less than c, t is greater than or equal to c. That is a page number 189. You have to apply the Laplace transform. Both side Laplace transform apply. What is the Laplace apply? The Laplace transform of f of t minus c into u of t minus c. So this is 0 to infinity e power of minus st f of t minus c into u of t minus c into dt. 0 to infinity, you have to limits change. 0 to c plus c to infinity. ఇక్కడ 0 to c limit ఏం చెప్తుంది? Always 0. Only c to infinity we taken. What is the c to infinity we taken is, this is c to infinity we taken is c to infinity. So e power of minus st into f of t minus c into dt. So e power of minus st t minus c change scale property is equal to t minus c is equal to some t minus c is equal to u అనుకుందాం. So dt is equal to du. So what is the t is equal to u plus t is equal to u plus c. So u plus c, you can apply that is out. Limits is a no change. So 0 to infinity e power of minus s into t value u plus c. So into f of u into du. So this is a take separately infinite, e 0 to infinity e power of minus su into e power of sc into f of u into du. ఇక్కడ e power of cs is take common, minus e power of minus sc common, 0 to infinity e power of minus su into f of u into du. This is called as a Laplace transform, e power of sc into f bar of s, f bar of s. This is the type also, same thing in a fraction t plus is also. Now so it is a clear, this is a way, it is a problems are there. So we have to practice example 16. So example 15. So what is the example 15? Find the Laplace transform of page number 190. T square u into t minus 2. T square into u into t minus 2. So what is the, this is the Laplace transform of is equal to, we have to apply in previous part, in application part 2. What is the e power of, this is the formula, a Laplace transform of f of t into u of t minus c model unte, that is a formula is equal e power of minus cs into Laplace transform of f of t plus c, f of t plus c is the formula. You can do apply. So what is now the Laplace transform of t square into u of t minus 2. ఇక్కడ here c is equal to 2. What is the c is equal to e power of minus 2cs, 2cs, 2s, c is equal to 2. The Laplace transform of t plus 2 is a whole square, t plus 2, t in place of t plus 2 whole square. So e power of minus 2s into the Laplace transform of t square plus 4t plus 4. So we have to separately Laplace transform e power of, this is e power of minus 2s. The Laplace transform separate apply. So Laplace transform of t square separate apply, plus 4 into Laplace transform of t plus 4 into Laplace transform of 1. So this is e power of minus 2s, e power of minus 2s into Laplace transform of t square and also 2 by s cube. Formula n factorial by s to the power of, what is the formula? N factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. ఇక్కడ n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2, got to 2 factorial by s to the power of 2 plus 1. Next ఇది కూడా ఏమవుతుంది? 4 into 1 factorial by s to the power of 1 plus 1. Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 by s. That is the answer. We have to the practice in the problems in exercise also. SAQ, it is the same way. So now this is a function very important. We are go to the 192, a period of the function. What is the period of a function is? The period is means any function f of x is equal to x plus x is a period of the function. What is the period of the function? The period of the function is equal to, what is the period of the function is, suppose the period is the function is t, the f of t is a function, f of t be a function, which is a period is capital T, period is capital T, capital T, f of u plus capital T is equal to, so f of u, not only f of u plus 2t is equal to f of u. I think it is a period of the function. Capital T is the period. అంటే ఇంకా మనకేం చెప్పొచ్చు, f of x is equal to f of x plus a is equal to f of x అయితే a is a period of the function. మనకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏం తెలుసు, sin x తీసుకుందాం, f of x. sin x యొక్క ఏం తెలుసు, f of sin 360 plus theta. sin 360 plus theta is equal to ఏం తెలుసు, x is equal to, అంటే sin 360 plus theta is equal to sin x. What therefore sin x యొక్క period is 360 degrees in 2 pi. Cos is also 2 pi degrees. What is the period is f of x plus a is equal to f of x అయితే that is called is a is the period of the function. ఇక్కడ f of t is the function, capital T is a period, f of what happened, u plus capital T is equal to f of u. f of u plus 2t is equal to f of u. So capital T is the period, f of u plus 3t is equal to f of u. What is the capital T is a period of the function, What is the Laplace transform of the period t greater than అయితే, the Laplace transform of theorem 1 in page number 192 in f of t is equal to, ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు, 0 to t capital e power of minus st into f of t into dt by 1 minus e power of minus st, 1 minus s power of t. This is equation 1. That is a formula. We have to prove this is the Laplace transform of the period. We have to Laplace transform, we have to apply is clearly. So it is a easy listen to me is that it's a clearly, this is what is the Laplace transform of the period is called is. Okay, this is the Laplace transform of the period is first one, Laplace transform of, so this is Laplace transform of small f of t is equal to, formula ఏంటిది, 0 to infinity e power of minus st into f of t into dt. This is a formula. దీన్ని 0 to infinity ఫంక్షన్లకు ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేద్దాం. What is the 0 to infinity? We have to expand the integral part. ఎట్లా, 0 to t plus t to 2t plus next 2t to 3t till continue. అంటే what is the integral part is the Laplace transform 0 to t e power of minus st into f of t dt, one function, plus next t to 2t e power of minus st into f of t into dt, plus next 2 to 3t into e power of minus st into f of t into dt, plus up to so on. ఎక్కడ వరకు, whenever this function the last plus is nt into n plus 1 into t into e power of minus st into f of t into dt. This is equation number 2. Your given question is first equation. Now in a transforms we have to apply. T is equal to, what is the t is equal to, substitution. Small t is equal to u plus nt. So the small t is equal to u plus nt we have to apply. So what is the small t is equal to u plus nt? Small t is equal to u plus 2t also t, like that in continue. So second and third integral. First integral t dt is equal to, so first దానికి ఏమొస్తుంది, u plus t కి it's a called is dt వస్తుంది, like that. Second దానికి వస్తుంది dt is equal to 2dt వస్తుంది. Till continue first integral, second integral and third integral we have to substitute. So what is the values are there? We can. So this simplification 0 to t, 0 to t e power of minus st in page number 183. But what is f of t to dt? Limit change అయితే plus, so It is also limit change 0 to 2 capital T same. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది లిమిట్స్ e power of minus s into u plus t వస్తుంది u plus t in t value. You first ది సేమ్, ఫస్ట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ సేమ్, ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది f of u plus t in సెకండ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ into dt into du వస్తుంది in du. థర్డ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ అప్లై చేయాలి. In the third integral also 0 to infinity minus s into u plus dt, u plus t. So u plus t. Third integral ఏమొస్తుంది సేమ్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి. So first integral will be same 0 to e power of minus st into f of t into dt same. Second integral 0 to t into e power of minus s into u plus capital T into f of u plus capital T into du. Third integral 0 to t into e power of minus s into u plus 2t in second period, called f of u plus in 2t in dt in du. So till continue up to so on last 0 to t into e power of minus u plus nt. So into f of u plus nt into du in third equation. By the hypothesis, f is the period function. What is the period function? F of u is equal to f of u plus t is equal to f of u plus 2t. So till continue up to so on f of u plus nt, u plus nt. So we have the all values all you can substitute in f of u. So f of u, it's a clearly 0 to t e power of minus st into f of t into dt plus e power of minus st into is to 0 to t into e power of minus su into f of u into du plus next e power of minus 2st వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 2st in 0 to t into e power of minus su into f of u du. Next time e power of minus 3s into, so like that. Last step ఏమొస్తుంది plus up to 1 plus e power of minus nst into 0 to t e power of su into f of u du. So f of u du. This is 0 to infinity e power of minus su f of u du common this day. We have to like 1 plus e power of minus st, 1 plus e power of minus 2st, 1 plus e power of minus 3st plus up to so on into 0 to t into e power of minus su into f of u into du, f of u. What is this is the function apply. So 1 plus 1 plus x expansion. Suppose 1 minus x is expansion is 1 plus x plus x square plus x cube expansion. Ikkada 1 minus x e power of minus st is the expansion is called is 1 plus e power of st, 1 plus e power of minus st plus e power of minus 2st plus e power of minus 3st like that till continue. It is also same. What we can do right here, the left hand side, it is also, this is equal Laplace transform of is equal to Laplace transform of ante em ochindi, that is a what is a totally common is them, totally common is they, that is called 1 by 1 minus e power of minus st into 0 to t into e power of minus t into f of t into dt. So that is the Laplace transform of a periodic function. So what is the periodic function? F of t, capital T is the periodic function. The Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power of minus st into 0 to capital T e power of minus st f of t into dt. So this is a formula from a period. Apply the problem in 193 page number 17 example problem. This is f of t is equal to what happened? Sin omega t 0 less than t is less than pi by omega less than t is less than 2 pi. What is the period is? The period is the function is the pi. The period is the function. F is the period. What is the f is the period is the function. F is the period. The period is the function is 2 pi by omega is the period. The question. What is the period? Formula. What is the formula? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to formula 1 by 1 minus e power of minus capital st into 0 to capital T into e power of minus st into f of t into dt formula. ఇక్కడ capital T, what is the capital T value? 2 pi pi omega. 2 pi pi omega is the capital T. 2 pi pi omega is the period. The period is the function is 2 pi pi omega. The 2 pi pi omega is the period. We have to apply the formula. The period is the function Laplace transform. Apply. Easy listen to me. Page number 193. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 minus e power of minus 2 pi pi omega s into 0 to capital T. Capital T is the 2 pi pi omega. F of t. F of t and the limits are 0 to pi omega, 2 pi pi omega. This is e power of minus st into f of t into dt. ఇక్కడ 2 pi pi omega లో we have the limits are there. One time 0 to pi omega plus pi omega to 2 pi omega in distribute. This is 0 to pi omega la, what is the value? Sin omega. Pi omega to 2 pi omega value anta 0. Ante second limit is not there. Second limit is 100% 0. Only first limit is there taken. So a denominator is same. What is the denominator? We take now same. The denominator is equal to 1 minus e power of minus 2 pi s by omega same into 0 to pi by omega. Only e power of minus st sin t and also sin omega t dt. Sin omega t dt formula apply. So this is the formula we already tells. We know that. It is e power of ax into sin bx dx in intermediate. This is the intermediate level. What is now e power of ax by a square plus b square into a square plus bx into what is now a sin x, a sin bx minus b cos bx. B cos bx. This is the formula. Apply. So ikkada kuda same undi. What is the formula? 0 to pi omega another same. E power of minus st into sin omega t into dt. Ikkada what is the a is equal to minus s. What is the b is equal to omega. Apply. This is omega. What is the formula? E power of ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. This is the formula. It is a lower class and intermediate. Apply. It is what is the this is a call is page number 193 lo ichar chudandi. 1 minus 1 power of minus e power of minus 2 pi s by omega into e power of minus st same by minus sin s sin omega t minus omega cos omega t by and also this is s square plus b square, s square plus omega square. The whole limits are 0 to pi omega. T ఉన్న దగ్గరలో pi omega అప్లై చేయండి. T ఉన్న దగ్గర pi omega అప్లై చేస్తే omega క్యాన్సల్. sin pi ఆల్వేస్ 0. omega క్యాన్సల్ అవుతాయి. sin pi 0 అవుతుంది. cos pi minus 1. cos pi minus 1. ఎక్కడ whenever is cos pi, the upper limit is cos pi. అంటే నెగిటివ్ మైనస్ ఒమేగా కాస్ పై అంటే ఇట్స్ మైనస్ 1. నెక్స్ట్ టైం లోవర్ లిమిట్ ఈస్ సైన్ 0 ఫంక్షన్. ద లోవర్ లిమిట్ ఈస్ సైన్ 0 కాస్ 0 1. సో వీ హ్యావ్ ద సింప్లిఫై దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇస్ అప్పర్ ఆర్ లోయర్ వీ కెన్ డూ దిస్ ఈస్ అ కాల్డ్ ఈ పవర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ పై ఎస్ బై ఒమేగా ఈ బై ఒమేగా. ఓకే వన్స్ అగైన్ చూడండి. Upper limit will be applied e power of t value pi omega by s. Ikkada minus sin term 0 minus omega into cos pi is minus 1. So lower limit e power of 0 1. So sin function will be minus 0 minus cos function is minus omega into cos 1 is 1 into 1 by s square plus omega square. So ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అంటే మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కామన్ టర్మ్? ఒమేగా విల్ బి కామన్ టర్మ్. ద ఒమేగా విల్ బి కామన్ టర్మ్ అంటే ఒమేగా విల్ బి కామన్ టర్మ్ వచ్చింది. ఒమేగా ఈజ్ అ కామన్ టర్మ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నాట్ కామన్? మైనస్ పై ఎస్ బై ఒమేగా ఇన్ ప్లస్ 1 ఒమేగా బై సో ఏం తెలుసు 1 మైనస్ ఈ పవర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ పీరియడ్ 2 పై బై 2 పై ఎస్ బై ఒమేగా బై ఇంటూ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ omega square. This is the answer. Whenever you simplify that, the simplify it is also s square plus omega square. This is enough. Answer will be there enough. What is the 1 plus 5 అంటే 1 plus s square plus omega 2 1 plus pi omega a plus b into okay this is a plus b into a minus b రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే న్యూమరేటర్ విల్ బి సేమ్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఈ డినామినేటర్ టర్మ్ నేను రాసుకోవచ్చు 1 మైనస్ మైనస్ పై ఎస్ బై ఒమేగా ఒక టర్మ్ రాసుకోవచ్చు 1 ప్లస్ ఈ పవర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ పై ఎస్ బై ఒమేగా ఒకటి రాసుకోవచ్చు ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ ఏ మైనస్ బి ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఈ టర్మ్ ఇస్ క్యాన్సర్ ఓన్లీ న్యూమరేటర్ ఒమేగా ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ సో కాబట్టి వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఓన్లీ న్యూమరేటర్ ఒమేగా డినామినేటర్ టర్మ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ రాస్తే క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది 1 ప్లస్ ఈ పవర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ పై ఎస్ బై ఒమేగా ఇంటూ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ దట్ ఈస్ అ క్లియర్ ఓకే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ టీ పీరియాడిక్ ఫంక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇంకొక టీ పీరియాడిక్ ఫంక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి ఈజ్ లిసన్ టు మీ ద టీ పీరియాడిక్ ఫంక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ సో ఇన్ 18 ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ టీ ప్లస్ 4 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ టీ అంటే ఇచ్చిందంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్యాపిటల్ టీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు పీరియడ్ 4 is the period సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్ మనకు ఫంక్షన్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ టీ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు దిస్ ఇస్ ద టీ 1 minus 1 ఎప్పుడు 0 less than or equal t is less than 2 is less than or equal 2 is less than 4 so this is the function in page number 194 problem so that is Laplace transform of a periodic function formula rasana first what is the Laplace transform 1 minus e power of minus 4 sorry first Laplace transform of f of t is equal to periodic function formula so 1 by 1 minus e power of minus st so 0 to infinity e power of minus st into f of t into dt that is the formula what is the capital T period is 4 is the period so నేను అదే అప్లై చేస్తా చూడండి 1 minus e power of minus 4s so 0 to 4 capital 4 t e power of minus st f of t into dt f of limits will be changed ఎక్కడ 0 to 2 ఏం చేయాలి 0 to 2 plus 2 to 4 ఇక్కడ 0 to 2 లో the function value 1 2 to 4 లో the function value minus 1 so that is a simplified so very simple it is a common we like that 1 by 1 minus e power of minus 4s and common so 0 to 2 ఒకటి e power of minus st into dt okay plus 2 to 4 ఏమొస్తుంది e power of minus f of t వాల్యూ ఎంత -1 into dt సో e power of st ఇక్కడ మైనస్ అంతే సేమ్ e power of minus st ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ e power of minus st by minus s కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ సేమ్ is equal to 1 minus e power of minus 4s అనేది సేమ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చూడండి e power of minus st by minus s దీని లిమిట్స్ వాల్యూ 0 to 2 ప్లస్ సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ది ఆల్రెడీ అక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది ఆ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది ఈ పవర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఎస్టీ బై నాట్ డినామినేటర్ మైనస్ ఎందుకు ఆల్రెడీ ఇట్ ఇస్ మైనస్ ఇస్ దేర్ కాబట్టి మైనస్ ప్లస్ ద లిమిట్స్ వాల్యూ 2 to 4 అప్పర్ మైనస్ లోయర్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్ వాల్యూ లోయర్ లిమిట్ వాల్యూ అప్లై చేయండి వి గెట్ ఎ సింప్లిఫై అప్పర్ అండ్ లోయర్ లిమిట్ 1 by s అనేది కామన్ 1 by s is common upper or lower values 1 by s is common కాబట్టి this is 1 by 1 minus e power of minus 4s this is into 1 by s is common upper minus e power of minus 2s plus e power of minus 4s minus e power of minus 2s this is a simplify what is the formula 1 by s into 1 minus e power of minus 2s is a whole square expand చేయండి అదే వస్తుంది అంటే what is the answer is so what is the answer is called is so 1 minus e power of minus 2s is a whole square by s into 1 minus e power of minus 4s మళ్ళీ అగైన్ డినామినేటర్ రాసుకోవచ్చు 1 minus e power of minus 2s is the whole square by denominator ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు 1 plus e power of minus 2s a plus b into a minus b 1 minus e power of minus 2s a plus b into a minus b a square minus b square. So what is the term is common? E term same, it will be cancelled. So what is the we get answer is, so only this and this term it got 1 minus e power of minus 2s by s into 1 plus e power of minus 2s. We get is the answer. That is a Laplace transform of the period of the function. We got a answers. We have to practice. This is the problems are there. Now next topic is 195 page number. We have to practice these problems. Laplace transform period of the function. Laplace transform of derivative. What is the derivative is called is f and f dash are derivatives. Then a is alpha is greater than 0. Laplace transform of f dash of t is equal to s into f bar of s minus f of 0. F of 0. This is important formula. Laplace transform of f dash of t is equal to formula s into f bar of s minus f of 0. This is a formula గుర్తుంచుకోండి. First derivative formula. The first derivative formula, it is Laplace transform of s into f dash of s. Now, so it's not given in proof, but it is application in the problems. So and then the n derivative formula it is also. Second derivative formula చూడండి. Laplace transform of f double dash of t is equal to formula is equal to s square into f bar of s minus s into f bar of 0 minus f dash of 0. This is the చూడండి first one. Laplace transform of f dash of t is equal to, this is formula s into f bar of s minus f of 0. The Laplace transform of f double dash of t is equal to formula s square into f bar of s minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of 0 minus s square into f bar of s minus s into f of 0 f dash of 0. This is second derivative. Till also third derivative, till also fourth derivative, till also nth derivative. మీకు nth derivative formula apply చేస్తే Laplace transform of nth derivative of t is equal to, ఇప్పుడు మీరు అప్లై చేసుకోండి, s power of f bar of s minus s power of n minus 1 of s power of n minus 1 of f of 0 minus s power of n minus 2 of f dash of 0 will continue. This is last f of 0. This is formula. N is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 1, the Laplace transform first derivative, n is equal to 2, the Laplace transform second derivative, n is equal to 3, the Laplace transform third derivative, n is equal to 4, the Laplace transform fourth derivative. But we can do nth derivative formula, we can practice. Last kate compulsory f of 0 or f dash of 0, end of the term. So last is f dash of 0. Last is f dash of 0. But we can what is now Laplace transform of n is equal to 1 పెట్టండి, s power of 1 f of s, s power of n minus 1 అంటే 1 అవుతుంది f of 0. n is equal to 2 తీసుకోండి, s square f bar of s, s of f of 0, n is equal to అంటే f dash of 0. So like that. n is equal to 3 తీసుకోండి, s cube f bar of s, s square f of 0, s power of 3 minus 2 f dash of 0, next to minus f dash of 0. So next is 3 minus 3 0 f double dash 0. So like that, it is called is Laplace transform of nth derivative. What is the Laplace transform of nth derivative? It is clear. It is the Laplace transform of derivatives formulas. So the Laplace transform of derivatives, it is a clear. What is the nth derivative? Derivative it is 1 minute. Last term is that is last one. This is last n derivative now. Sn derivative, which is called is s power of n of f bar of s minus s power of n minus 1 of f of 0 minus s power of n minus 2 of f dash of 0. Last one, fn of 0. N is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. This is fn of 0. The proof. This is called as Laplace transform of derivatives. So it is example 19. The Laplace transform of cos 80 is cos 80. Deduce that Laplace transform of sin 80. Coach, very simple. What is the Laplace transform of cos 80? It is applied. So Laplace transform of cos 80 formula else. What is the cos 80 formula? Man already proved chesnam. The period is 2. So that is what is the formula we have to prove? 0 to infinity e power of minus st into cos 80 dt. We have to simplify formula e power of minus st by s square plus a square into. So you have to apply limit. Already formula endalsu Laplace transform of cos 80 kanukunnam already. What is the cos 80 formula? S by s square plus a square. What is the deduce that to Laplace transform? This is using theorem 2. This is the Laplace transform of derivative f dash of t. What is the Laplace transform of derivatives? F dash of t. F dash of t is equal to s into f bar of s minus f of 0. So this is s into f. The Laplace transform of f dash of t ante minus a sin 80. Cos 80 derivation minus sin 80 a. So is equal to s into f bar of s. F bar of s, s by s square plus a square. So minus f of 0. Cos 80, cos 0 is 1. Is cos 0 1. We take now. So simplify that. What's now? It's a simplify. So what is the simplify? So minus a is common left hand side. Minus a common. Laplace transform of sin 80 minus a term common. Take right side. Minus it is a plus s square by s square plus a square minus 1. In simplify minus a square by s square plus a square. Okay, ikkada a is cancelled, minus is cancelled. Laplace transform of sin 80 is equal to that is called is it is that is a by s square plus a square. A by s square plus a square. This is the type. So it is will continue in next time. Tomorrow tomorrow I will take. Tomorrow I am go to my out of station. Tomorrow I will no class, and next Saturday will be take the class. Tomorrow, if it is try to best to I am to. If it is time is there, I will take class. If it is not time is there, I will not take class. So okay, all of you. Okay, all of you are understand these pages in problem in practice. So
okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay.